President-elect Donald Trump says he may likely issue pardons, but not a blanket pardon for those involved in the events of January 6th at the U.S. Capitol. Hundreds have been prosecuted, but many others still await their date in court. And the lawyer of one of those locally who was already convicted and sentenced says he is willing to try to get his client pardoned. After the news came down, Queen City News anchor Derek Dellinger spoke with that lawyer today. And Derek, what are the chances that that pardon could happen?
Well, according to that lawyer, Don Brown, he does say that it is quite possible. But given the fact that the president-elect said it would not be a blanket pardon, it will likely be on a case-by-case basis. He wants to make sure his client's case at least gets considered. The events of January 6, 2021 at the U.S. Capitol have been something that's had a bunch of legal weight. And even though it's not much of a surprise, the notion that pardons could be coming for at least some of those charged, and the very pledge from the president-elect, it's something that some are getting ready for. In an interview Sunday with NBC's Meet the Press with Kristen Welker, Donald Trump was asked about the pardons. This is what he said.
I'm going to look at everything. We're going to look at individual cases, yeah.
Okay.
But I'm going to be acting very quickly.
Within your first 100 days, first day?
First day.
First day.
Yeah, I'm looking first
day.
Issue
these pardons.
These people have been there, how long is it, 3 or 4 years?
They spent 4 years there, haven't even brought the trial. It throws the Sixth Amendment right to speedy trial in the trash can, so it's a positive step in the right direction.
Don Brown represented one of the local January 6th defendants, Elliot Bechet. Bechet ultimately pled guilty to a trespassing charge relating with that day. Brown emphasizes Bechet was not charged with anything violent.
I'm going to have to talk to Elliot on all that. I certainly would recommend that he submit the package.
Even the talk of this has received an amount of pushback from both judges and the Capitol police officers that were there nearly 4 years ago. The words betrayal and slap in the face have been thrown around in statements to the media from those officers, while the judges have emphasized the people charged have been charged with what, under any other circumstance, is considered a crime. Last week, one federal judge over a January 6th case said, quote, "Every rioter is in the situation he or she is in because he or she broke the law and for no other reason." Brown, however, says he believes only a handful of those at the Capitol did anything violent. And the rest?
Most of those folks were simply exercising their First Amendment rights to free speech and to petition the government to redress the grievances. That's the way these cases should have been handled, like most similarly situated cases.
Now, we should say that despite the pledge from the president-elect, we don't really have a real idea yet on what these pardons will look like and whatever process may be involved. Brown, however, does say that he anticipates the White House will be keeping an eye on those cases after the inauguration.